is She. I'm back today with another video. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to show you how to make this lovely centerpiece. This is actually for one of my clients' Bumblebee themed baby shower. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, just keep watching. Apologize guys, I'm not sure what happened to this footage, but I used the Krylon Fusion all-in-one spray paint in the color Sunbeam. This is a gloss finish. I really enjoy this spray paint. It covers very well, and Krylon offers some amazing colors, so I was really happy to find the perfect yellow. So this letter, I spray painted it gold at first, and later on I decided that it would look better in yellow. So I went ahead and re-spray painted it in yellow. So my favorite app for editing photos is PicCollage. It is amazing. So you can actually do a web search to find an image that you're looking for. So I just typed in black and white stripes. Boom, the image came up. I was able to scale it and size it. And then I have a Canon printer which I can like wirelessly print stuff from my phone. So the black and white stripes that I used on the box were actually printed from my computer. part was my favorite to do. It was really fun to arrange the flowers. There's no wrong or right way to do this. Just put the flowers inside of the foam in a beautiful way, and it's really going to make these centerpieces pop. Enjoyed watching this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Press that notification button. That way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. If you decide to recreate this DIY for yourself, please tag me in some pictures on Instagram. I'm always interested in seeing what you guys are up to. And until next time, guys, bye.